Hey guys, now we'll start with Thingspeak guide tour. I will tell you that how we can use Thingspeak and how we will create account. I will tell you everything about Thingspeak. So this is the graphical representation of Thingspeak, that how Thingspeak analyze the data and plots the data in the graph. This is the website for Thingspeak. So let's go to this website. This is the Thingspeak website. You can see there are many projects about Thingspeak, featured projects and customer stories, that how you customers use Thingspeak for data analysis and for their projects, that how they can do different projects by using IoT and cloud technology. So let's create an account. Just click on get started for free. If you are new to Thingspeak, just click on create one. Otherwise, I have already created one account, so I'll just log in. When you will log in into the Thingspeak, you will see this kind of screen. There will be my channels that you have to create. There will be channels, my channels, watch channels, public channels. There will be application like all apps, MATLAB analysis, MATLAB visualization, plugin, ThinkQuit, time control, React, talk back, things with HTTP, support for documentation, tutorials and examples. So let's create a new channel. Name the channel LED. If you want to write the description, it's your choice, it's up to you. Now these are fields, that how many graphs you want to enroll in your channel. Till we know it one channel, one field for one graphical representation, so we will tick there. If you want more, then you can click on that. This could be linking from GitHub, linking from YouTube. There are many more external sites that you can link it. So this is a full bunch of channel which you can operate via any of the services. So after this we will save channel. So our channel is created and we have made one graph over it. This is the private view. In private view, the only person which owns the account can see. In public view, if you want to make it public, so you can share it with any person, he will be allowed to see your graph, but he will not be able to edit it. These are channel settings, and if you want to add more fields or you want to do something else. So this is for the sharing, that you want to share your channel to a particular person, so you can write its email ID here and add user. It will be shared to him. This is the API key for your channel. I will tell you that what are write API key and read API key and how you can use these API requests. This is data import. You can import your data in any of the format and you can access the data here. This is your channel ID, the authorization number, and access is private. So this is all about your channel. For application, you can have MATLAB analysis, MATLAB visualization, plugins. You want to add any plugin to your channel. You want to add Twitter facility. You want to add messaging facility for time control and React. You want to add talkback requests. You want to add HTTP. So these all are a set of applications that Thingspeak allows person to access.